quick question. Have you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? You can't. It's physically impossible. Try it right now. Your brain automatically forces your eyelids shut when you sneeze. It's basically a reflex, maybe to protect your eyes from the explosive pressure. Or maybe just because your body is being dramatic. So, yeah, next time you feel a sneeze coming, just know your body is hitting the close eye safety button. It's wild. Can you prove me wrong? Film yourself trying and tag me.